guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I uploaded a new video. So I got my package today from Amazon, and for my project for today is I'm going to make a tie-dye t-shirt. So here it is, and I'm going to unbox it. 24 colors tie-dye DIY kit. So this is from Vanstech. Yeah, right there. So here it is. The inclusive of this box are the gloves, and I have this plastic cover for the table. I have some sample design for the tie-dye guide, and I have rubber bands. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to t-shirts for my tie-dye, and this is my first time to do it, and I hope everything went well. I have here my plain white t-shirt. What I'm going to do is wash it first before doing the tie-dye. I'm gonna load this to the washing machine and then let's go. So what I'm going to do is to wash the shirt first before doing the tie-dye. So I'm gonna set it for a quick wash because I don't need to clean it up. I'm just trying to wash it fresh from the factory. So I just finished washing the shirt. So this is it. So I'm gonna leave this shirt a little bit moist so that the tie-dye will easily spread all over the shirt. So let's go start tie-dyeing. So this is my working area, and I have my paper towel here to wipe out all the tie-dye spills. And for my first project is I'm going to choose light yellow, medium yellow. So I'm going to use two colors for the first shirt, and I'm going to use brilliant red and rose red. So I have these two colors for my first two shirts. So I'm gonna put water on this container, and let's start doing my first tie-dye t-shirt. So I'm excited because this is my first tie-dye t-shirt project. I can call it like a cotton candy or a freestyle tie-dye t-shirt. I have here the shirt. I have to reverse this shirt. So since it's a freestyle, I don't have any specific design or whatever. But what I'm going to do is like crumple the shirt. Yeah. So this is it, and I'm gonna use my rubber band. So there is no specific style or whatever, but this is like a freestyle, and I hope it looks like a cotton candy. So I'm going to use the light yellow and the medium yellow. And flip over. gonna wipe this with my shirt since it is a freestyle. I don't have any specific design. So, oh shoot, I forgot to wear the gloves. Actually, they provided the gloves. Yeah, sorry about that because this is my first time. And anyway, I don't have any much color in my hand. So I'm gonna put some of those parts that are not yet covered by the dye. Yeah, and then I'm going to put this on a Ziploc. I'm gonna put this inside the Ziploc, and I'm gonna leave this for 24 hours. Yeah. So this is it. We're done with our first t-shirt tie-dye project, and we'll go to our second color for this freestyle cotton candy style. I have to wipe this out because I don't want the color yellow and medium yellow to get stained to my next t-shirt. So I have to reverse this again. Same thing, I have to crumple this shirt without any specific design, and I have to tie this with a rubber band. I put the rubber band not too tight so that the tie-dye will easily go through all the shirt. So this is it, and the color for this one is brilliant red and rose red, and we'll see. Ooh, this is kind of dark red. Actually, there's no really difference from the two of them, but I hope when I wash this one, the true color will come out. Yeah, so I have to wipe this out. Since this is a freestyle, I don't need any specific design for this one. So yeah, I'm done. It's easy, it's simple as that. And I'm going to put it on a Ziploc and leave it for 24 hours. And we'll find out tomorrow what will gonna be the outcome of this two project, my yellow and red cotton candy freestyle design. All right, see you tomorrow. All right guys, welcome back to my channel, and after 24 hours, this is the result of my freestyle cotton color tie-dye shirt. Let's rinse it and then we'll find out what will it looks like. So let's go. So we have to rinse it until the water is clear. Let's try this yellow. And then we're gonna wash it in a washing machine. So it looks good to me.
Yeah.
I love it. This is my freestyle cotton candy tie-dye shirt. Then after this, we're gonna wash this in a washing machine. Let's go. So I'm going to wash this separately because the color is not yet fully removed from the shirt. And I have my soap. And I think I'm gonna wash it quick wash. We're gonna stop this after 10 minutes. Alright, let's wait. By the way, I already have my printed design here and it's already been cut. And this is ready to put on the shirt. So before this, I have to iron my shirt first, and then I'm gonna put this design on the shirt, and then I'm going to heat press and to fix this design on the shirt. So I have here the black print and it's already been cut, and I have here the white print and they're all ready. So I'm going to iron the shirt first and then heat press this design. Alright, so eto na guys. I love how it looks like. So I love the color. I love how the color was distributed. So when it dries up, we'll see. We're gonna leave this hanging and then let the air dry up this shirt, and then after this we have to iron it, and then I'm gonna put my logo here, and then that's it. So hello guys, welcome back, and this is now my finished product, my first tie-dye project, and this is the freestyle cotton candy color. So far I am so happy with the result. I already ironed the shirt and I already put the design for my logo, and I'm going to show you the finished product. So here it is. This is the yellow and the yellow color cotton candy, and so far I love the design. I love the freestyle color, and of course my kick logo. And the other one is the red one, and it turned out into like a dark pink. So this is it, and so far I love it with my logo. So yes, and that's it. So I hope guys you enjoy my do-it-yourself tie-dye project, and for me as a first-timer, I am so happy and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you learned something about the tie-dye. So hope to see you guys on my next video, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get the latest update of my channel. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you!